Good morning, everyone. I'm going to do a little showing you one of my binders, and I had done this layout the other day and I got it all done. I was gluing everything down and I thought, I wish I'd had more to put on this page, and especially since I realized it was about the shoes that I had taken this picture, and then it dawned on me, I have a baby binder. So anyhow, and it's like, and I thought, I'm pretty sure I still have those shoes in there. So anyhow, I added these little shoes, and I just think they're so cute. And I did it right after, this one needs a little more glue underneath it, but I did it right after I had, uploaded the video and everything. So, but I wanted to come bring it back and show it to you. And then I thought I would show you my binder because it's like, I have no lack of baby embellishments. Sometimes I have lack of paper because I know for a while I had only paper that had words on them. So this is my baby binder, and you can see it's overflowing. It's got stuff sticking out of the top. It actually has baby, kids, boys, girls. So, not just boys and girls, but also kids. And it's growing a hair. And so it's like, I think I need to divide it up a little more, but okay, so I'm going to just kind of show you. This is stuff I collected after, or maybe I just didn't find a place where it actually fit in here. And because, I had some things that my daughter had because she said, I'm not going to have time to scrapbook, you just do it. So she gave me all her stuff, so I think that's what this is, because I can see this is a thing that she made. And so that's what I'm pretty sure this is here, because she was scrapbooking when her youngest was a baby. So in here, it's like, I have every little thing in here, but I've got like, bathroom stickers when they're doing their hair, have some creative memory stickers. Sometimes I would just find stuff on sale and buy it, but I loved having sister stuff because of my girls, and now we have other girls that are sisters. And I started out, I think all my kids had these, and then they were selling them out, and I bought extra ones, and I only got boys. Blue ones, because I'm color specific to those kids. And then so I'm just going to kind of give you a quick look through it. Oh, this is that, what's the lady who does these? We should have it on there. I can't think of what they are now, but I had one where it looked just like my daughter. I thought, oh my gosh, it looked just like her. I made this awesome meal and I sent pictures to my sisters, so it's like I'm getting texts about that. So, and here's, Sesame Street. Who is this? This is Susan Branch, I think. I love her stuff. And some of these I've had for 20 years. And you can see some of them I've used since so I was using them out of here. It's so funny because ever since I started buying kits, I just use what's in the kits. Forget that I have this other stuff. So this is kind of a reminder to myself that I need to use this stuff too, because it's like, look at this baby girl. I love that. I need to remember to use these things. And like some of these I got from a lady, she was selling these dimensional things, and I said, could you just make me up like $50 worth of stuff, and I could use, mostly girls, and then I kind of told her other things like any hobbies or whatever. So she made me up an awesome package, and that was several years ago. Like, a lot of these came from her, but I think she's not doing it anymore. I think she sold everything she had. She just had bundles on her eBay all the time. And I hope you can see them all right. I don't think it's too, you can see there's glare, but I don't think it's too bad. So like christening outfit, I could use that the other day. See, I gotta remember I have these things. Can't believe it. Look at how cute these are. I think most of the ones we've had lately have been breastfed. Well, the twins, they had bottles but with breast milk in it. And then as they got bigger, princess papers. Oh, I did use these some. Then we have some boy stuff back here, or what I'll call boy stuff, and we have, now this again was from my daughter, so I think that's what all this stuff is in the back, is her stuff, except for I know I've had these. Sometimes you'd go into, I wanted to call it Farmore, Big Lots, and they would have such cute stuff, and this is like from there. So that's my baby one, and I just thought I would show you another one of my theme books, binders. And I'd kind of like to have my whole room like that and divided. Wouldn't that be nice? Okay, and then also when I was at that, I was thinking I should really just put the embellishments I made last into the color binder. But then I thought, well, I started taping them down. Oh, and I tried using that repositional tape. Yeah, that did not work after I wax papered it. So I just decided I'm just going to put them all together, and I'll just put them at one side of the color binder because I don't have like a flower binder. Oh, I do have one that's like a garden binder, and I have one with Halloween, so I'll probably put this in the Halloween binder. And then I just got to remember to use that stuff because for Pete's sakes, I have it. So I put these on. I did have to I just put some regular ATG on it. And so I'm going to put those in here because I thought I need to be able to, I want to just be able to go, oh, there's that thing. You know, just like every other embellishment. I want to just be able to flip to it and find it and take it out. So, and it doesn't matter if I rip the wax paper getting it out. It's just no big deal. It's just a place to store them for now until I get them on a layout. These are so pretty. I gave one to my friend. It's so funny because the one that I didn't love as much as the rest, she goes, oh, I love this one. And it's like, it's yours. But I can't wait to use them. I mean, it's like, I love this with that heart that I made previously. And I think they were just so fun to make. It's hard not to just want to make them every day, but you know, I got my Minte things, so I'm just going to be cutting those for a while. And I know it's been a while. I need to get I need to do more of the collection obsession, so I will get one of those done. But I was just doing this stuff today and picking up and organizing because my room is a mess. And so I thought I'm just gonna hop on here, show you my binder that had all the baby stuff in it that I should have been going through. And I know I have some other little, well, there's gonna be Christmas, but I just need to pull out my things and add these other things. I mean, just because this matches the collection or from the same the same designer or whatever, I can still add stuff from my binder. So I really need to do that. And if you don't see me doing it, say, what about your binders, lady? So that's it. Oh, somebody asked me if I would mention that I'm using one of these when I do a layout with them, and I definitely will because I'm excited to use them. And I don't know if there's one that I can use in my collection obsession, but you know, it's like I'm into all the Minte papers, so I'm sure that there's something that would match. Oh, see, that one wanted to get away too. I don't think I thought it was sticking, so I didn't put on any extra tape on there, but So thanks for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow, and I will definitely have a layout tomorrow. So have a wonderful day. See you then. Bye-bye.